How to change Air Arabia ticket date. Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can change Air Arabia ticket date. So the first step is to open your web browser. In the search box, just type out Air Arabia modify flight page. Okay, Air Arabia modify flight page, then select the first option here, which is modify flight. So once you're on this page, next thing is to move down to the parts of the page where you can see reservation number. So enter in your reservation number, then the contact person last name, enter it in the box displayed here, then enter in your departure date. When exactly did your airplane or did your flight when is the departure date that you've selected, okay, for the flight. All right, ensure you enter in there, and then verify the captcha which says that you're not a robot. And then once you're done, move to the right side and click on continue, and then you'll be taken to the flights page. So once you're on this page, you have the opportunity to modify your departure date as well as your return date. And by modifying it, the date on your ticket would also be changed. So that's the trick about it. That is how you can change your ticket date. It's very simple, all right? And then if perhaps you could not do it or you could not succeed, the next step would be for you to contact the customer support. And you can do so by clicking on call center so that you would get access to the phone numbers that are available in your country. And then you can call them, and the trained call center agent of Air Arabia would be able to put you through and even help you modify the flight date, the ticket date from their own part. So this is how it works. All right. I'm sure this tutorial has helped. So ensure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up for this video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.